Taking a look here at the history of the Várdomb Water Tower, a significant traditional landmark located in a village here in the area of Slovakia called in Bernolákovo, Slovakia, which sat on the original location of the 19th century Čeklís Castle. The tower is situated on an elevated and historical strategic point where the ruins of the Čeklís Castle are located. The castle itself served as a watchtower protecting the road of Bratislava to the east. The water tower was built in 1905. It was not the original feature of the castle, but it was constructed upon the remains of a brick in itself has been built atop the ruins there. The structure was built to design the castle tower, allowing it to blend visually with the surrounding landscape despite the modern construction of its time. Now, there's seen a preservation that was launched in late of 2022, which rehabilitated the tower to the current use that we're seeing today. You can see the ruins just outside as well. The renovation was highly successful and even earned an award, honoring by Slovakia. Since the completion in 2023, the tower serves as an observation tower. It offers beautiful views of the surrounding area and acts as a point of interest of visitors exploring the ruins of the Čeklís Castle. The tower remains and owned by the municipality of the city, which is generally open to the public during warmer months and shifts closed during the winter months. During the time it is closed to visitors. However, it is often open minimum of only 8 people through this local department of culture and sports. Definitely some interesting history here, but there's even better interesting history here with the videos that are going to pop up on your screen. This is the Professor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area. Be sure to take a look at some of the videos that have now popped up.